The Gyroptere, a pioneering aircraft designed by Alphonse Papin and Didier Rouilly in France between 1911 and 1914, was inspired by the sycamore seed's single spinning blade. This innovative monocopter was the first airjet helicopter, although it ultimately proved unsuccessful. The designers secured French and United States patents for their invention. Construction of the Gyroptere began in February 1914 and was completed by June of the same year. The prototype, named Chrysalis, featured a single, long, airfoil-shaped blade made of molded wood and covered in fabric. The blade, approximately 19.5 feet long and 4.4 feet wide, was powered by an 80-horsepower, 9-cylinder Rhone rotary engine. The pilot sat in a nacelle between the blade and engine, which also served as a support structure on land or water. The engine drove a fan that produced a significant volume of air, directed through the blade and exiting at high speed to turn the blade and generate lift. The pilot controlled the Gyroptere using 2 foot pedals, one for admitting air to the blade and another for directional control via an L-shaped tube acting as a rudder. Testing was delayed due to the outbreak of World War I and finally took place on March 31, 1915. The tests revealed several issues. The rotor speed achieved was only 47 revolutions per minute, below the 60 revolutions per minute required for liftoff. The machine was unbalanced, causing the blade to repeatedly hit the water, and the engine was underpowered as the intended 100-horsepower engine was not available. A military commission concluded that the Gyroptere could not contribute to the war effort, and further evaluation was halted. The aircraft remained at Lake Circe until it was sold for scrap in 1919. Despite its failures, the Gyroptere represents an important early attempt at helicopter design.